prove another property of delta function, that is delta Ax is equal to 1 by magnitude of A into delta x. To prove delta x equal to 1 by magnitude of A delta x, we have to apply this identity. As you know, from the identity, minus infinite to plus infinite fx delta x dx. So here delta x means delta ax, so minus infinite to plus infinite fx delta ax dx. And if you put ax equal to t here, or x equal to t by a, or dx equal to 1 by a dt, if you put here, then fx will be equal to f of t by a, then delta t and dx will be equal to dt divided by a. So you take 1 by a to outside, then that will be equal to f a into, if you take the delta function at t equal to 0, then 0 divided by a, this will be equal to f0, and the delta function at t equal to 0 will be equal to 1, minus infinite to plus infinite delta t dt. This value is equal to 1, so this will be equal to 1 by a f0. So suppose this is equation number 1, and in the right hand side we have 1 by magnitude of a into delta x. So if you write in terms of the identity, as you have discussed in the previous video, that 1 by a is constant, you can take it outside. So fx delta x dx, here fx is a differentiable function, and this is differentiable at x equal to 0. So at x equal to 0, this will be equal to f0, and this function minus infinite to plus infinite delta x dx at x equal to 0 is equal to 1. So 1 by a delta x will be equal to 1 by a f0. This is equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, we can verify that delta ax is equal to 1 by magnitude of a into delta x. Thank you.